What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screenshots not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility and then here you can see the option screenshot. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on your screenshot gestures like that. After turn on your screenshot gestures, then go back and click on system and update, and on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. Now swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.